Comparison is quietly killing you. And the scary part, you don't even realize it's happening. Every time you scroll, every time you size yourself up against someone else, you're taking a knife to your own self-esteem. And it feels small in the moment, but over time, it rewires the way your brain sees you. Psychologists call it social comparison theory. Your brain is wired to compare because back in the day, it helped you survive. The problem is that today, you're not comparing yourself to your neighbor or your best friend anymore. You're comparing yourself to the world's highlight reel on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Your brain doesn't know the difference. It just assumes you're behind. And once your brain believes you're behind, it starts treating you like you've already lost. That's why you freeze. That's why you stop trying. That's why you feel like nothing's enough. Now, here's the part nobody tells you. You can't stop comparing. Your brain will always do it, but you can change what you compare against. Trick your brain by shifting the scoreboard. Instead of comparing to people who make you feel worthless, compare to yourself from yesterday. Your brain is always craving a reference point. Give it one that actually works for you. There's research on something that's called self-referential processing. Your brain pays way more attention to things tied to your identity. So if you anchor your identity around beating your own past self, suddenly your brain lights up every time you get a little better. Drink one less soda today, win. Read 2 more pages than yesterday, win as well. That's how you rewire the comparison loop into something that builds you instead of destroys you. Your life isn't ruined because you're not successful yet. It's ruined because you keep telling yourself you're losing a race you were never supposed to run. The only person you are ever meant to compare yourself to is the one you see in the mirror. Everyone else is just noise. Most people will scroll past this and go right back to comparing themselves. But if you're still here, you're not most people. You're ready to run your own race and you already know where to start.